What's up guys, glad to see you on our channel, hope you have a great week. This third episode dedicated to creating logo design from start to finish, or to be more precise, from the first message of the client to the finished presentation. Be sure you're subscribed to our channel, since every week we share a video in the field of graphic design, and in most cases it's the process of creating logos. The main task of the project we will be working on today is to create logo design for a clothing brand focused on environmental protection. We are going to go step by step and consider stages like sketches and vectorization. So let's get started.
Hi Maxim, we will have an online store that sells nature conservation themed apparel accessories. Our clothing brand is called StanNature. It means to stand for nature. Primarily, we offer affordable clothing with unique, upbeat, cool, expressive and minimal designs to 20s, 30s, young generation or professionals. The design shall be unique and original. It should look bold, upbeat and cool.
I also asked the client additional questions, but overall Jake put the effort into his brief and provided excellent information. For more clarity and direction of my ideas, I am going to create an association map with the keywords. This is a very useful step when there is not exact client's wish for a logo design. For example, if the customer wants to see a car in the logo designs, it seems to me that association map stage can be skipped, but not in today's project. Anyway, you can see on the screen what I got. Based on the client's brief, the association map and some feelings I have, I created the mood board. This is a very simple shapes, clean and light, and it seems to me that any of these designs will look great on clothes. Now our next task is to create sketches inspired by these brands but using own personal and unique style. The sketches are pretty rough, but I like the ideas I get. With proper improvement and vectorization, this can lead to very strong logo design. I decided to move forward with this option, so let's vectorize it step by step. Let's draw a line at the bottom with the 1-point stroke, and then 2 lines on the left and right side. I think we should draw 4 lines horizontally that will be the basis for these circles, and align them to each other. So let's put a line in the middle. It will be an abstract tree trunk. Now place the circle starting at this corner point so the end touches this line. I duplicated the ellipse with hotkeys Ctrl+C, place Ctrl+Shift+V in the same place, and increase its size to the next line while holding down the Alt-Shift. Do the same with the rest. Now select all the ellipses and duplicate them to the left side. We can remove the horizontal lines and the outside vertical ones too. Take these ellipses and place them on top so that the strokes of these circles touch. Delete the extra ellipse and also with the direct selection tool remove the extra sides. Select and press delete. As you can see, the thickness of the lines is too thin. Let's make it about 35 points. Select all the elements and use the shape builder tool to remove the extra lines. Now select all design and expand them. Looking at several fonts, I made my choice of a font heavy. This type requires a license, but it has 2 fonts from the collection that can be used for both commercial and personal purposes. This is font extra light and the one that I use in this project, font heavy. Make a suitable kerning between the letters. That's great. Then select the name and create outline. You can also use the Shift, Ctrl or hotkeys. Now let's match the logo mark with the font. I will place lines on each side of the symbol. Obviously, if we align the font along these guidelines, it will be too small in relation to the icon. So I duplicated 3 more lines and align them horizontally with each other. Then I will duplicate these 2 lines here in this way and do the same on the right side. And now I am aligning the font to the guidelines. The spacing from the logo mark to the text I take is half from this distance. Remove the lines. Now we get a balanced combination of logo mark and font. Lately I've been using Coolors to find colors, amazing service with the ready palettes as well as the option to generate a new one. Just press the spacebar. I have chosen these 2 colors, which in my opinion perfectly fit the objectives of the project. Let's apply them. I'll not use separate colors for the icon and for the name, and I'll make it solid. It looks great with this design. Create a mint background and place the finished logo in midnight green. Duplicate this and invert the colors. We got an excellent logo design. It looks pretty positive and bold, and most importantly, looking at it, we can say that we are talking about nature. You must be a professional in your field, and making a presentation is a major point you must always consider. It's important for the client to understand how his product or brand will look in real life, and such demonstration is the best way to help him in this. Take the time to choose high-quality mockups that relate to the brand for which you are creating a logo or identity. It will show you as a professional in the eyes of the client and significantly speed up the approval from his side. Mates, try to avoid complication in any designs. More doesn't mean better, especially in logo. Hope you enjoy watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, set the notification, and we in turn will give you high quality content based on our experience. See you in the new episode and have a great week.